Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our mathematics class. And students, we know very well we are on our chapter number 2, right? Which is fractions and decimals. So in last period students, we done our question number 1 of exercise number 2.1, right? So today we are going to solve our next question, which is question number 2. So what is the heading of this question? So see, arrange the following in descending order. So students, you have to arrange here all these fraction numbers in which order? Descending order. So what is the meaning of descending order? So first upon you write greatest number, and after that smaller, and in last smallest number, right? And see students, in all the fractions, suppose all the denominator are same, so that time it will be very easy to identify, compare which fractions is greater and which fraction is smaller, right? So see, in first questions 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. So all the denominators are not equal, right? So first upon we have to need to find its LCM. Okay, so you can see here the calculations of LCM. So first upon make a column like this way and put all the denominators. Okay, so 9, 3 and 21. We write here 9, 3 and 21. Now see, all the numbers are odd numbers, right now? So that we cannot take a 2. Suppose the ones place is even number, that time we can take 2. Okay, but here all the numbers are odd, so we start from 3, right? So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21, right students? Now which number is remaining here? 3 1 and 7. Okay, so again take a 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is and 7 as it is. Okay, why? Because 7 is also not coming in 3's table. Now see, take a 7. Why? Because only this number is remaining and 7 is the prime number, right? So 7 1s are 7. Now how to find the LCM? So you just multiply this all numbers. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 7. 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. So our LCM is what? 63. Okay students, now see, come on our questions. So first upon we write 2 upon 9. Okay, and put a multiply sign. And now see students, 9 into which number to get 63? Why 63? Because we want our LCM 63. Okay, by which number we multiply 9, okay, to get 63? So 7. So multiply 7 in denominator and same effect we give in numerator. So 2 7s are 14 and 9 7s are 63. Okay, now take second number 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. So 3 into which number to get 63? So it will be very easy. See students, here which number is given? 3. So here 3 is there. So which two number is remaining here? These numbers, na? So you just multiply 7 3s are. So 7 3s are what? 21, right na? So when you multiply 3 into 21, then you will get a 63. So directly we write here 21, 21 and numerator also 21. So 21 2s are 42 and 21 3s are 63. Okay, understood? Now see, last number is what? 8 upon 21. So 8 upon 21. So 21 into which number to get 63? So same way students, see, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so which number is remaining here? 3. So 21 into 3 is equal to 63. So we write here 3. Okay, 21 into 3. So same effect we will give in numerator. So into 3. 8 3s are 24. 21 3s are 63. Now see, all the denominators are same. Okay students, understood? Now we arrange all these numbers in descending order. So see students, in numerator which number is greater? So 42, right now? So first upon we write 42 upon 63. After that see, which number is smaller? 24. So we write here 24 upon 63 and in last 14 upon 63. Okay, again see, 42 upon 63. This is the answer of 2 upon 3, right? So we write here 2 upon 3. 24 upon 63. So 24 upon 63. So we write here 8 upon 21. Okay, and in last 14 upon 63. 14 upon 63, 63 it means 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. Okay, students, understood? So by this way we make descending order of our all the fractions. Okay, so 2 upon 3 comma 8 upon 21 comma 2 upon 9. Clear, students? Now see next question. Question number 2. 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. So here also all the denominator are not same. So what we have to need? We have to need to find its LCM. Okay, students? So how to find? So first upon make a column. Okay, and after that keep all that numbers which given in our sections denominator 5, 7 and 10. 5, 7 and 10. Okay, so see 5 and 7 odd number, but 10 is even number, so start from 2. Okay, so 2, 5 is 10 and keep this number as it is. Okay, in this column. Now see which number is remaining here? 5, 7 and 5. So we take 5, 5 1s are 5, 7 as it is, 5 1s are 5. Okay, now see which number is remaining here? 7. So 7 1s are 7. Okay, आपको कहाँ तक कैलकुलेशन करनी है? You have to do calculations here till you get 1. Okay, now see 2 into 5 into 7. So 2 5s are 10 and 10 7s are 70. Okay, students? Now come on our questions. So right here 1 upon 5 into. Okay, now see 5 into which number to get 70? 70 is our LCM. Okay, so see 5 is there na? So 5 is there. So by which number? So which number is remaining? 2 and 7. So 2 7s are 14. So we write here 14. Again we effect same effect given into numerator. So 1 into 14 is equal to 14 and 5 into 14 is equal to 70. Next question 3 upon 7. So 3 upon 7. So by which number we multiply 7 to get 70? So 10s are and 10s. So 7 10s are 70, 3 10s are 30. Okay. Now see 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10. So by which number we multiply 10 to get 70? So it is 7. 10 7s are 70. So same effect we will give in numerator. So 7 7s are 49. Okay, students, understood? Now see which number in numerator is greatest? 14, 30 and 49. So 49 is greatest, right? So first upon we write 49 upon 70. After that which number is smaller than 49? So it is 30. Okay, so 30 upon 70. And which is smallest? The smallest is 14 upon 70. Understood? Now see 49 upon 70. It is same as 7 upon 10. 30 upon 70, which is same as 3 upon 7. Okay, and 14 upon 70. 14 upon 70, which is same as 1 upon 5. Okay, so by this way we will get our answer. Okay, descending order of that given fractions: 7 upon 10, 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Okay, students? Now see question number 3 is the same. So I will give you in your HW. Okay, this is descending order. So question number 3 may be ascending order. So you can do, okay, by yourself. Now come on next question. Question number 4. What problem? It is also very easy, students. So see, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 upon 2 centimeters long and 10 integer 2 upon 3 centimeters wide. Okay, so here the length and breadth is given of rectangular shape. So find its perimeter. What you have to find? You have to find its perimeter. So you know what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Okay, so it is 2 into L plus B, right? Okay, so see students, for better understanding, I draw here rough diagram. Okay, so first upon we make a rectangle and see what is given here. So 12 integer 1 upon 2 is its length, and sorry, 12 integer 1 upon 2 is its length. Okay, and 10 integer 2 upon 3 centimeter is its breadth. Okay, so you just put this value in the formula. Okay, so length and breadth. Now see, all both numbers are mixed fractions, so we have to need to convert it into improper fractions, right? So 2 24 the 2 12 the 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 upon 2 plus 3 10 the 30, 30 plus 2 is equal to 32, 32 upon 3. Okay, so 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3. 2 as it is. Now see, both denominators are not same, so need to find it LCM. So it is very easy to find LCM. Suppose the given numbers are prime numbers, so you just multiply both numbers, okay, together, then you will get LCM. So 2 3 is what, 6. Okay, so we will you can also here carry LCM is equal to 6. Okay, now see, 2 into 25 upon 2 as it is. So put multiply sign. By which number we multiply? 2 to get a LCM 6. So it is 3. So same effect we will give in numerator. Okay. Plus 32 upon 3. 32 upon 3 into 3 by which number to multiply to get 6? So it is 2. So same effect to 2 as it is. Now see, 25 is the 75 upon 6 plus 32 to the 64 upon 6. See, denominator are same. Now just to give simplify. So 2 into 139 upon 6. So 2 3 is the 6, right? So 139 upon 3 centimeters. Okay, its perimeter. Now see students, this number is improper fraction. So if you want to convert it into mixed fractions, so you can. How to see? 139 divide 3. So 3 for the 12. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Take a 9, okay, from 100 place. So which number is made? 19. So 3 6 are 18. So 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. Now draw one arrow like this way. So first upon we write 46. After that 1 as a numerator and then 3 as a denominator. So 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter is our answer. So we can write here the perimeters of the rectangular sheet of paper is 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter. Okay students, so by this way we will get our answer. So students, from here you can take a snapshot. Okay, and what is in your HW? You have to practice, you have to write these sums in your notebook. As well, you have to do question number 2 also in your notebook. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.